Hey guys, Fearcraft here. First of all, let me just apologize. I know it's been a while since we did some more figures and toys reviews. Unfortunately, I came down with more sinus infections. It was multiple sinus infections, one right after the other. And now that I'm finally feeling a bit better, we're going to go over some more. I'm sorry it's taking so long. I just can't predict the weather, what it's going to do. And things are blooming, and it's just getting terrible. But anyway, today we're going to be going over the Mario McDonald's toys that I collected from McDonald's. Unfortunately, I missed my chance to collect the newest Mario toys from McDonald's. So I'm going to have to later on get on eBay and order me a set. But I don't know when that'll be because I got so many payments coming up on other things. But here's the box. That's the box. And let me find number 1. That's 5. That's 8. Who was number 1 in this set? That's 4. And that's 3, 2. I want to go with this one's number 1. Yep. Number 1 is Mario. So we'll get him out. Number 1 is Jumping Mario. And these toys came out in... They should be on the bag somewhere. ...2017. These are 2017 McDonald's toys. So apparently he's supposed to make noise. So let me turn him on. And then... Oh, it's right there. I think he's dead. Yeah. Dang. That button's stuck. There. Let me see what he was supposed to do. Maybe that's what he does. Maybe he just makes that funny sound. But anyway. I don't know. But yeah. There is number 1, which is Mario. So we have Mario. Let me set him back in his pack. So yeah, number 1's Mario. I'll set him over there. Number 2 looks to be Yoshi. Which it is. Number 2 is Yoshi. So we'll get Yoshi out. And from the looks of it, he does his little Yoshi tongue, so... Yeah, like that. Press it on his back. So yeah, number 2 is Yoshi. It does the Yoshi tongue. But there's where they imprinted everything on them. There's 2017. But yeah, we got Yoshi for number 2. So we'll put him back in his bag. Set him over there. Number 3 is Luigi. We get number 3 right here, Luigi. Says it's a Luigi launcher. Let me see how we work this thing. Oh, okay. So we gotta get this bag off him first. Here is the Luigi. He's got these wheels on him. And then here is his pipe. So, in theory, Luigi's supposed to go here. He's supposed to clip onto the pipe. Let me move this stuff. We'll set him here. And then when I press this button, he's supposed to go zooming out of the pipe. Got him! How did he went far? He dead. Oh, man. He went far. He definitely works. Let's try that again. Wahoo! Oh! Oh, yeah. Luigi #1. Oh! Sorry, I'm goofing around. That's pretty addicting and fun. But anyway, we'll go ahead and put the plastic back on him. Oh, let's see here. He was number 3. So let me put him back in his bag real fast. And we need to find number 4. Well, come on. There we go. Number 3. So number 4, that's 5. Are you number 4 by any chance? No, you're number 6. Are you number 4 by any chance? Yeah, you are. Number 4 is a 1-up. So, getting this thing, it looks like it does the same thing Mario did. Let's hope this one works. We turn on the button. And we press that little button right there. I don't think it works. Yeah, it's dead. Oh, there it goes. It makes the 1-up sound. It was just a little having to warm up. But it works. That's the 1-up mushroom that does the 1-up sound. And that was number 4. Number 5, I saw it a minute ago. Here it is. Number 5 is a see-through clear Mario. It's like hello, it's me, Mario. Hello, fellow YouTubers. I'm goofing around again. Okie dokie. Okay, this one lights up. I'm all glowy. Yahoo! Sorry, I like goofing around. Yeah, I can partially do Mario's voice. Got 2 batteries in him, I see in there. Good luck getting them batteries out, though. They make these things where you can't get into them unless you have the McDonald's triangle screwdriver. But anyway, that is him. I'll do something else for you all right fast. Let me turn this off. Get it a little bit dark in here. And then we'll look at him glowing. Yeah, look at that. He's glowing big time now. Yippee! Jump into the bag. Didn't work. He got stuck. Get in there. Alright. He was number 5. Number 6, I saw it a minute ago. Okay. Number 6 is Bowser. And he comes with looks like he comes with 2 fireballs. me see here his instructions. Okay. So the fireball goes in Bowser's mouth. And how do you... Oh, it's back here. He's got a button on his butt. Fire! Good grief, that thing shoots far. And then get the other flame. He's trying to burn Mario. But anyway, there's Bowser. You can see right there. There's the button. But yeah, number 6 is Bowser. So let me set him back in the bag. Number 7 is... This one's going to be everybody's favorite. Number 7 is Princess Peach. And she does a thing to where she's got the Super Mario theme behind her, and it's like a 3D effect. You can see that when I turn it, that mushroom comes out of the block. Those coins are turning. And she also does a thing too. I think it's when she rolls. When she rolls, she'll twirl. Yeah, it's when she rolls. I'll get it right there. That way y'all can see the detail in Princess Peach. I mean, she is detailed. That definitely looks like Peach. And in the back of it, you have all of this little detail right here. But yeah, it works kind of almost like a float. When she rolls, she turns. Just like that. But anyway, she was number 7. And then we got one more to go over. Which, getting her back into the bag has proven to be a challenge. Because of that paper. There we go. Okay, there she is. And the last one, number 7. How many of y'all remember the red turtle shell? Now this thing, let's see here. You pull it back and you let it go. So, yeah. How many of y'all remember the red turtle shell from Mario Kart? Let's try this. Well, why didn't you go? There it goes. Pow! Right in Bowser. Do it again. Bam! That thing goes pretty fast. Now you can see you just pull it back and you let it go and it goes zooming across the floor. And it goes pretty fast too, which is, you know, perfect for what it is. It's the red shell. Hey, good luck outrunning that thing. One of them though that you can't outrun though is the blue shell, unless you have one of those sonic boom things in your hand and use it at the right time before the blue shell hits you in Mario Kart 8. But yeah, there's the red shell. And that is all of the McDonald's Mario figures. Now when I come back, I don't know what we're going to be going over because I got to get to the place where I store all these and see if I have any more McDonald's toys to go over. If not, we'll be picking more figures to go over from a different series. But we'll see when we get there. And I am currently awaiting on the next shipment of Titanic right now. They finally shipped it. It's on the way in the mail. I'm scheduled to have it either Monday or Tuesday of next week. And also, next Monday, we will be doing the final build to Titanic Shipment 7, which is going to finish off the engine room so far that we have done. So we'll be finally getting the engines running and stuff like that. So we will have the engines running next Monday. I'm going to do a thing now where I'm going to try to upload a Titanic every Monday Because it kills me to wait to build the next one. It does. But I do this because I don't want to run out and have nothing to build on. And right now, I've got the next shipment, which is shipment 8, coming in the mail next week, which will get us from issues 39 to 44. So we're going to be doing all engine room, getting the last 2 engine rooms done. So we'll be doing 39 and 40. Involves getting the last touches of the engine room done. When we go to 41 to 44, we're returning to the top of Titanic where her funnels were mounted. Basically the boat deck. We'll be doing the captain's cabin. We'll be doing the wheelhouse. All of that is coming up sometime next week. But before I start building, there is a whole lot of stuff I have to paint. So I got all my paints dug out right now. Getting ready for that for when the next shipment comes. You can see there's all my paints. And then I've got some acrylics right here. Then I have this. I use this to spray my decks. Basically, I seal my decks with this. It's a clear coat, but I spray my wooden decks with that to seal it. Because that way, if you drop anything on your wooden deck before it's sealed, you can't get it off. If you spray something over top of your wooden deck to seal it, you have a more chance of getting something off your deck if you've got something on your wooden deck. But if you don't have this on there, you can't. So yeah, I spray and seal my wooden decks. And also, Hatcher has finally updated their website. I don't get mine from Hatcher. I get mine from Agora Models. But I can see where, the people who's building it from Hatcher are going to go. And I know when you all get to issue 62, you're going to finally be returning to the metal part of Titanic's hull. I read on their website when you get to 62, you're going to be returning to the hull, and you're going to get your next section of the kill. But that's going to do it for this video. And when I come back, we'll be going over some more figures. Not sure what we'll be going over yet, but before the figures, we'll probably be doing the next Titanic, which will be Monday. But I'll probably put it up Sunday night. That way it'll be up there for Monday. But until then, you all have a blessed one, and I will catch you guys in my next one. And goodbye.